friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samula Khan 92. Today my video is about the Midea AC remote control. What is the functions of Midea AC remote control? One, you see this is the power button, this is the mode button, and this is the, you see, eco. This eco gear which save your energy if you work on this one. This is the fan button swing, this is for the light, cool flash, clean. So these are the functions in the Midea AC remote. Our video is today our video is about the temperature setting. So this temperature, if you see sometime you see temperature set like this. If you see 81, don't be afraid. This is maybe you see you think it's a very high temperature, maybe the room will get hot in this temperature. This is not the Celsius, this is not the degree Celsius, this is the degree Fahrenheit. Our video is about the today the degrees of this is the degree Fahrenheit. Who will change it to degree Celsius? Sometime your remote will be automatically changed to this degree Fahrenheit. So people don't know about these temperatures settings, so that's why I make a video on this Midea remote today. So I will show you how to convert it to back to the degree Celsius. You see here, this is the temperature setting buttons. This is the lower key, lower button or lower key you can say. This see temperature is coming down. Normally our 21 degree is up on 70. If you keep it on 70, I think it's approximately 21 degree, and this is the upper key. So these two key you must remember when you change your degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So I will show you how to change it now. So you must press these two keys for 5 seconds, upper key and lower key. Press it both together in one time up to 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, this, see, now it converts into the degree Celsius. So now maybe if you want back to the degree Fahrenheit, I will show you back again how it convert. Then press it for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. You see, exact 5 seconds. In 5 seconds this will change the degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, or degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So I want degree Celsius, most people want degree Celsius, so we will keep it on the degree, on the degree Celsius. So press it 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. Our remote is back on the 24 degrees Celsius, so we will keep it on 24 degrees in the degree Celsius mode. In the next video I'll show you some other hacks in Midea AC remote. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe.